Good morning, Mina.
Oh, good morning, Sam. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. I'm really happy to see you.
Aw, me too. I've been waiting for today.
Wow, the weather is so nice today, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. The sky is so blue and clear. Not even one cloud.
And it's warm, too. I didn't even bring my jacket.
That's okay. I checked the weather this morning. It's gonna stay warm all day.
Oh, perfect. That's great news. By the way, did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I was actually so excited about today. I went to bed early.
Yeah, same here. I did the exact same thing. So, what do you want to do today?
Well, first, let's get some coffee. There's a really nice cafe nearby.
Oh, that sounds great. I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. And after that, we can just walk around and enjoy the day.
Yeah, I like that plan. Sounds relaxing. Is the cafe far from here?
No, not at all. It's only about a 5-minute walk. Very close.
Nice. I'm already excited.
You really love coffee, don't you?
Yeah, I do. I honestly can't start my day without it.
I understand that. So, how do you like your coffee? Black.
Not really. I usually add a little milk, but no sugar.
Oh, okay. Interesting. What about you? I actually don't drink coffee. I usually get tea.
Oh, really? That's interesting. All right then, let's go find your tea and my coffee.
Let's go.
At the cafe.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
I'll take a medium, please.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. Even though it's warm today, I still prefer hot coffee.
Yeah, a lot of people do. Would you like some milk in your coffee?
Yes, please. Just a little milk.
And sugar?
No sugar, thanks. I like it better that way.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a medium iced tea? It's for my friend.
Of course. Would you like sugar in the iced tea?
Let me think. Actually, no sugar is fine. She usually doesn't like sugar.
No problem. So, one medium hot coffee with milk, no sugar, and one medium iced tea, no sugar. That will be $6.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drinks will be ready in just a moment.
Okay, thank you. After a short wait, here's your iced tea. I didn't add sugar. Is that okay?
That's perfect. You know me well. Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome. Okay, let me try my coffee. Oh, wow, this is really good.
Really? I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, it's very smooth. Not too strong, not too weak, just right.
Exactly. That's why I like this place.
How's your tea?
Let me take a sip. It's really nice, cold and refreshing.
Perfect for this weather, right?
Yes, exactly.
This cafe has a really nice feeling, too.
Yeah, it's quiet, relaxing.
And the music, it's so soft.
I love that. It makes me feel calm.
And these chairs, I could sit here all day.
No, we still have more plans today.
Oh, right. I almost forgot.
See, I told you, we still have more places to visit today.
Yeah. Okay, where to next?
There's a bakery nearby. I think you're gonna like it.
Oh, a bakery. That already sounds good. Let's go. Hello, welcome. Please take your time and look around.
Thank you.
Wow, everything looks so good. It's actually hard to choose.
I know, right?
Excuse me, what do you recommend today? Our chocolate bread is very popular today. Many customers bought it this morning. And the cheese bread is also very fresh and soft. Both sound really good. Okay, I'll take one chocolate bread, please. Sure. And, looks at Mina. Maybe one cheese bread, too.
Good choice.
Is the cheese bread soft? Yes, very soft. We baked it about 30 minutes ago. Oh, nice. That sounds perfect. The chocolate bread is $2.50 and the cheese bread is $2. So the total is $4.50. Okay, here's $5. Thank you. Here's your change. Thanks. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. We're going to eat outside.
That sounds lovely. Here you go. Enjoy them while they're fresh. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Next time you can also try our melon bread. It's very popular.
Oh, I love melon bread.
Looks like we're coming back here again.
Definitely. Wow.
This park is really beautiful.
Yeah. I love coming here, especially on days like this.
The trees look so green and everything feels so peaceful.
The weather is perfect too. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, it's just right. I feel so relaxed here.
Me too. Listen, you can hear the birds.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Sometimes you can even see squirrels here.
Really? That's cute.
Yeah, it is.
I like places like this. Nature makes me feel calm.
Same here. It's nice to take a break from busy places.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I try to come here regularly.
Do you walk often?
Yes, almost every day, usually in the morning or sometimes after dinner.
Wow, every day? That's really good.
I try my best.
How long do you usually walk?
About 30 minutes, sometimes longer if the weather is nice.
That sounds really healthy. I should start walking too. I usually just stay at home.
You should try it. Walking is good for both your body and your mind.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe I'll come to this park every weekend.
That's a great idea. And you can take photos while you walk. Two hobbies at the same time.
Oh, I didn't think about that. That's smart.
Oh, look, there's a bench under that big tree.
Yeah, I see it. Let's sit there.
I'm starting to feel a little hungry.
Same here. The bread smells really good. Here, try the cheese bread first. I got it for you.
Oh, really? That's so kind of you.
Go ahead.
Wow, this is really good.
I knew you'd like it.
Do you want to try the chocolate one?
Can I?
Of course.
Oh, this is amazing too. So, I want to know more about you, Mina. What are your hobbies?
I really enjoy reading. I read almost every night before sleeping.
Oh, that's nice. What kind of books do you like?
I like novels, especially love stories and mystery books.
That sounds interesting.
A good book feels like another world.
That's a nice way to describe it. I don't read much, but maybe I should start.
You should. I can suggest some easy books for you.
That would be great.
What about you? What do you like to do?
I have a few hobbies. I really enjoy cooking.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Yeah, I like trying new dishes every week.
What kind of food do you cook?
Mostly Italian food, like pasta and pizza. But recently, I've been trying Japanese food too.
Oh, wow, that's cool. What did you try?
I made curry last week. It was pretty good. And I tried making rice balls once, but they didn't turn out well.
Yeah, rice balls can be tricky. I can teach you sometime.
Really? I'd like that. And I can cook something for you.
That sounds like a good plan.
Well, we're back at the station already.
Time went by so fast.
Yeah, I had a really great day.
Me too. Everything was perfect today.
Thank you for spending the day with me.
Thank you too. I really enjoyed it.
So, when can we meet again?
How about next Saturday?
That sounds perfect. I can cook something for you.
I'm looking forward to it already.